Avoid these eyeshadow mistakes next time you do your makeup. Stop going in with shadow before prepping the lid. Stop with the big windshield wiper motion. Stop forgetting your guide. And stop with the wrong brush. Here's what you're going to do instead. Try to use a guide instead of freehanding to get that perfect eye shape. I'm using a little bit of tape. I'm taking some of the sticky pieces off, and then I'm going to line it up with the outer corner of my eye so I can get a nice snatched line. Use a nice fluffy brush. This will help diffuse product. I'm starting with the color Dream from the Bronze Palette by Nova Beauty, and I'm going to set the lid with that. Taking a smaller fluffy brush, I'm going to use the color Lover and pat that right onto the lid. Next, I'm going in with that big fluffy brush in the color Frontin to define that crease. I'm using short windshield wiper motion, starting from the outer corner, working my way into the inner corner and back. Once you get the color diffused, then you can go in with those bigger windshield wiper motions to really diffuse everything out. To finish up this eyeshadow, I'm taking the shiny color Drip. I'm using that on the inner corner and to highlight my brow bone. Remove the tape and go ahead and clean up the under eye with a little bit of powder. This look is super easy for beginners, perfect for like a date night or you're going to work. Here is the comparison. Let me know if you try it out and shop Nova Beauty at novabeauty.com.